Okay, we've got a bull. They think it's between 35 and 40 years of age, just coming to its sexual maturity. You can see he was in good, healthy condition. He's been poisoned, which results in an agonizing death. The animal was found this morning. We're trying to get an antidote, but we don't think there's going to be time. This beautiful animal is in a lot of pain. He's terrified. He can't defend himself. I just wonder what goes through people's minds that they think that this is some kind of justified behavior. Alright, my boy. Alright, my boy. We're going to help you, eh? Okay? You can hear him struggling to breathe. This is a morbid video, but people need to see the truth of what's going on here. This is the 4th elephant that's been poisoned in the valley in the last couple of months. It's dreadful. It's completely unacceptable. As Rhino Force, we're trying to do our best, but we need the word to get out there. This is the only thing we can do. Alright, my boy, close your eyes. Close your eyes, my boy. Close your eyes. It's alright, my boy. You're safe. I'm not going to hurt you. It's alright, my boy. It's alright. It's alright, my boy. Relax. It's alright. It's okay. We're not going to hurt you, my boy. It's alright. It's alright. Just close your eyes. Gently, gently. There you go. Gently. That's it. Just relax, my boy. We're not going to hurt you. Just going to look after you, alright? Okay? I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. Alright, my boy. Alright. Relax. Easy, my boy. Easy, my boy. Easy, my boy. Easy. Slow down. Just take it easy, my boy. Easy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. It's alright. Close your eyes. It's alright, my boy.